Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download data from Yahoo Finance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download data from Finance, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Yahoo Finance and hit enter, and once the search user loads, simply select the Yahoo Finance link and that will take you to the homepage of the Yahoo Finance. Now on the search bar, what you need to do is type in the company name like Apple, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is on the stock page, select historical data on the left hand side of the screen, and you'll see daily, weekly or monthly stock prices with dates, open and close, high and low and volume. Now next step is to select time period by simply clicking the daily option right here, and then click on weekly to see it weekly or monthly to see it monthly as well. You can also select the date as well from here to the max as well. Then next is to choose data frequency by selecting the daily option right here. And now step 5 is to download the data. Simply click the download button. Once you are signed in, you'll find an option that says download. Right here, the data will be saved as a CSV file, Excel compatible on your computer. The next step is to open and use the data by opening the CSV file in the Excel, Google Sheets or any spreadsheet software, and you can now analyze, chart or calculate trends using this data. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.